Hey, it's Nicole from ServiceTitan. Thanks for joining the ServiceTitan Phones Pro family. At ServiceTitan, we know that phones are the lifeblood of your business, so we want to be by your side every step of the way so you can start boosting efficiency and booking more jobs. In this video, I'm going to show you how a CSR can use their new virtual phone. If you're more comfortable using desk phones, this might seem like a scary concept of going to this virtual phone on a computer. It's actually a fully functioning virtual phone, and you could do all the functions, actually more functions, using this virtual phone. So I will just simulate a call into your office so you can see what you can do once you pick up that phone call. So I'm going to simulate that call. And once it comes into the office, I'll go ahead and answer it on this embedded dialer. So once the call comes in, I'll answer it. Keep in mind that you'll have a headset on, or if you're just using the sound of your computer, it's still gonna ring like a normal phone. So you don't even need a desk phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer this. Once the call has been answered, you have all the functionality that you would with a normal phone. So you can see, you can go ahead and mute a call, you can hold a call. Keep in mind, by holding a call, you're not putting it back into the hold queue. You're just holding them on your own line. You can transfer a call. So this is actually a really cool feature that wouldn't be available if you're using a desktop phone. This would be really great if you're using the soft phone, which we highly encourage. So you could actually transfer calls really easily to another user, another Phones Pro user. So if you just searched for a different user, you would search them in here. It would pull up whoever that person is. So let's see. This would be another CSR that I have. If I wanted to transfer the call to this person, I can click on them. And I have a couple options. So before I just directly transfer, I could do that, or I can ask them first and send them a chat, seeing if they're available. I could send them to a voicemail, or I can send them to that person's own hold queue so that they have some time before picking up the call if they're busy and they're on the other line and they want to pick it up once they're done. Beyond that, you can conference somebody into the call, or you can use the dialer like you would on a desk phone if necessary. So again, this is a fully functioning virtual phone. It's going to ring on your computer like your normal desk phone would. It has all the same functionality. It actually has more, where it's giving you a couple more features that you wouldn't normally have on a desk phone. And you don't have to do any firmware updates or anything that you would for a desk phone. This is always going to be updating as we update ServiceTitan and we update Dialpad and send you new releases and new features. So thanks for watching. If you want more tips and tricks from ServiceTitan, you can check out our knowledge base or reach out to us directly. Thank you.